What's going on, everyone? It's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and today we're going to go over Swipepages. We're doing a quick review here. We're going to go over the feature set, some of the benefits, the pricing, and then we'll dive into the backend so I can show you an example on how easy it is to create a Swipepages page. And what it is a landing page builder. It's going to make it really easy to set up custom landing pages for whatever you need. Maybe you're trying to collect emails, you're trying to do a giveaway, you're trying to sell some products. Anything along those lines is really easy to create with Swipepages. Before I dive into it, I just want to thank our sponsor, Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. There's a link in the description below, and it comes with a free 15-day trial, so you can test everything out for yourself. I'm going to show a quick video detailing their full feature set too.
Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy-to-read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
So let's dive into what Swipepages is. It allows you to build high-converting landing pages in minutes. They also use mobile-optimized AMP landing pages, which is going to allow your websites to load faster on mobile, and Google's going to really like that as well. AMP stands for Accelerated Mobile Pages, and they're served from Google's cache and preloaded to provide an instantaneous loading experience for users, which creates lower bounce rates and better conversions, and is trusted by leaders. So if you've never used a landing page builder, it allows for simple drag and drop interface, allowing you to easily edit everything without touching any code. Now, if you're interested at this point, there's going to be a link in the description, and that's going to be our own affiliate link. So you're not required to use that link, but it is going to help us out if you do sign up for a paid plan. Another thing about Swipepages, it has templates that you can just load up, and a lot of the styling is going to be done for you. I've logged into the backend here for our very own Swipepages account. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to create your own page here. So I'm going to name this page Shopify Masterclass. Choose a page type. I'm going to choose a omnichannel campaign, so it's going to be the best of both here. That's going to be mobile and desktop. And from there, you get tons of templates to choose from that you can really base your design off of. That's going to make it way easier than starting from scratch, as it can be quite intimidating at the get-go. So again, quite a few templates here. I'm just going to choose a SaaS one. I'm just going to pick the top one here. You also get the option to view the template so you can see exactly how it looks. Just like that, it's going to load up the backend and your website is done here. You obviously wouldn't want to leave it like this, as you want to customize it to your own liking. But as you can see, it makes it really easy to edit the text. I'm going to say best YouTube channel, type some more in the subtext here, subscribe now. You can edit the buttons. On the left-hand side, you can edit the styles, you can edit the coloring, the sizing, the positioning of the buttons. So quite a few customization options for that. And everything for Swipepages is built into sections. So we can go through a few of them here. And it's going to break it down by overall section, row, and then column, giving you a lot of customizability there. It allows you to easily move and drag them around too to fit how you want your content to look. It also makes it really easy to add a new section here. So if I wanted to go to the bottom, I can click this add row. I can choose how I want it to display. So it could be 2 columns, 2/3 to 1/3. I'll just select a full column here. And then you can add elements with this plus icon. Down the left is going to give you quite a few pre-built ones. So you have headings, cards, videos, forms, star ratings, a Google Maps integration, an image carousel, a pricing table. There's also some customizability if you do have HTML code you want to add. I'm going to add a testimonial slider here. If we click on it and go to the left, there's the option to add different testimonials, and it's going to slide through, giving you a really nice user interface in just a few clicks. And if you ever want to edit it, you click the 3 dots, hit edit, and you can start editing the name. Then you can start writing your text here, testimonial, really great channel, or something along those lines, and fill it out how you like. If you ever want to move it, click on the element, and you can start to drag it around the page. So overall, it makes it super easy in that sense to customize your layout. And with the pre-built templates, it makes it really easy to create landing pages in just a few minutes. And once you want to publish it, you just gotta hit save and then publish, and it's gonna give you an option on what domain you want it to. You can add 3 custom domains here, at least on the plan we're on. If you want to preview it, you can hit the preview button. Then just like that, you're loaded on a real URL with all your information that you just entered. Again, if you're interested in trying it out, there is a free trial. So just click that link or our affiliate link in the description. And it doesn't require a credit card. And over 7,000 marketers use Swipepages. So in terms of plans here, they start at $29 a month all the way to $120 for agencies. This will be based on the amount of traffic you have, along with different integrations such as Zapier, multi-step forms, lead magnet delivery. It's really going to depend on what you need. One of the great ones is AMP here, as Google recommends these pages as they load almost instantly. So this concludes the video on the Swipepages review. Let me know in the comments what you think of Swipepages. We've really enjoyed it on our end here for creating custom landing pages. I would love to know your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you hit that like and subscribe button below. Again, our affiliate link for Swipepages is in the description. So if you are going to test it out and try it out, I would love if you used our affiliate link below. Lastly, I want to mention Profit Calc again, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. And there's a link in the description for that to test out a 15-day free trial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.